So, the end result, after I replaced the old linkage, the old plate, is that it functions properly, as you can see. The plunger sits down in there properly. Yeah. But here's the thing. This pipe does not give it clearance to function properly, which is why it broke to begin with. So it was engineered in a way such that it didn't function properly to begin with, and that's why it broke. So here's what we're planning to do. This is going to go back on, so it'll look like it functions, but and I did get the plunger out, which was stuck down in there, and that's what kept the water from draining. So I got that out, and so now it drains. So I'm thinking what I should do is take this out and put an old school plug in there so that I can clean it and use it. And then this will be like chapter 2 on how to get the clearance from behind here to create the clearance to get this to work. So it'll work. It works great. But once you get the plate on, there's no movement. So in the end, it worked, but it was put together wrong. This pipe behind here is not deep enough to allow this to do this. Anyway, so that's what we got to do. Any tips on taking that out and putting an old school plug in there would be great. But in the meantime, as you can see, I got to get this sucker clean because it hasn't drained for at least 3 or 4 days, and it's got to be clean, and we got to be able to use it. At least we can shower. It does drain now. So, yeah, that's it.